Samsung's journey with One UI 7 has taken a bold leap forward, setting new benchmarks in user experience and customization. With its release, Samsung has introduced features that redefine the boundaries of Android, creating a seamless interface that feels intuitive and futuristic. At the heart of this update lies the Now Bar, a feature inspired by Apple's dynamic island but uniquely tailored to Samsung's ecosystem. This edition brings an elegant blend of functionality and aesthetics, placing essential tools at your fingertips. Paired with AI-driven security enhancements, One UI 7 ensures a safer, more personalized experience for its users. But let's not ignore the realities of beta versions. They come with bugs, glitches, and quirks, an unavoidable part of progress. Early adopters have already pointed out areas for improvement, like outdated charging animations and abrupt transitions. Yet, this is precisely the purpose of these beta releases, to refine and perfect before the official launch of Android 16. The journey from beta to stable is where Samsung truly shines, using feedback from its vibrant community to craft an interface that aligns with user needs. One feature that's caught the community's attention is the expanded functionality of Samsung's Good Lock app. This update introduces the much-awaited split mode maintain, making multitasking more efficient and intuitive. Imagine replying to emails while seamlessly browsing the web. This is productivity redefined. For those who thrive on customization, Good Lock has become a playground of possibilities, allowing users to push their devices beyond the conventional limits of One UI. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 also enters the spotlight, boasting a wider outer display, a feature users have long requested. While not as expansive as some competitors, Samsung has struck a perfect balance, offering improved usability without compromising the foldable form factor. This device embodies premium design with its boxy aesthetics and enhanced triple camera setup. While the absence of a periscope camera might disappoint some, the promise of a 3x optical zoom lens ensures high-quality photography. Meanwhile, in the broader tech arena, the battle between Samsung and Apple continues to captivate audiences. The Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max epitomize this rivalry, each pushing the envelope of mobile innovation. The Galaxy S24 Ultra brings a 200MP camera, the power of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, and unique features like the S Pen, catering to creativity and productivity enthusiasts. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro Max leverages Apple's A18 Pro chip for unmatched efficiency, excelling in performance and thermal management. When it comes to displays, both giants showcase their prowess. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's AMOLED panel with anti-reflective coating ensures stunning visuals in any lighting condition, while the iPhone's OLED display dazzles with its precision and vibrant colors. Each screen is a masterpiece, tailored for immersive viewing, gaming, and more. As we delve deeper into software, the differences become even more apparent. One UI 7's customization capabilities stand out, offering users the freedom to tailor their experience. From widgets to themes, every detail is yours to control. Meanwhile, iOS continues to impress with its simplicity and ecosystem integration, ensuring seamless connectivity across Apple devices. Battery life and charging are another domain where Samsung takes the lead, with its larger battery capacity, faster charging speeds, and reverse wireless charging feature. Yet, Apple counters with its efficient energy management, ensuring the iPhone lasts just as long on a smaller battery. But what truly sets these brands apart is their approach to innovation. Samsung's willingness to experiment, adapt, and refine has earned it a loyal fan base, while Apple's focus on consistency and quality keeps it at the forefront of consumer trust. Both have carved unique paths, yet they converge on a common goal, delivering cutting-edge technology that enhances everyday life. As we await the official release of One UI 7 and the stable rollout for more Galaxy devices, the excitement among Samsung enthusiasts is palpable. Whether it's the promise of smoother fingerprint unlocking, the refinement of animations, or the sheer potential of multi-star, the future looks bright for Galaxy users. And with the ongoing battle for supremacy between Samsung and Apple, the competition only drives innovation forward, ensuring that users benefit the most. This is the era of choice where technology adapts to you, not the other way around. Whether you're drawn to the allure of Samsung's dynamic features or the reliability of Apple's ecosystem, the decision ultimately comes down to your preferences. So, which side are you on in this epic tech showdown? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and insights. Your next tech adventure starts here. Stay tuned. Would you like further refinement or additional details?